Hello there, lovely people. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: memory hacks to help you recall information better. Trust me, these tips are absolutely golden, and they're going to revolutionize the way you absorb and retain information. The first tip is all about using the initial letter of something to help you remember. For instance, if you need to remember the key points of a book, try crafting a sentence using the first letter of each point. It's an indispensable trick to keep important information close at hand. The second tip is all about mind mapping. You can create your personal map by scribbling down ideas on paper. The beauty here is that it doesn't need to be perfect. It's all about what works for you. The main aim is to make it as personalized as possible, so it's tailor-made for your memory style and needs. So there you have it, two fantastic memory hacks that are guaranteed to boost your recall skills. Remember, practice makes memory perfect, so keep trying these tips until they become second nature to you. And always bear in mind that everyone's brain is wired differently, so find what works best for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I genuinely hope these memory hacks assist you in your journey of enhancing your recall abilities. If this video brought value to your life, please show some love by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this one. Until we meet again next time, stay brilliant.